Hey, Phil from Got Memories. Continuation of yesterday's couple videos with a Digital 8 job that has claimed 3 Digital 8 players. So the reason for this video is I document, like, when people give me tapes, there's so much built-in cost into repairing and maintaining the players. So when people hand me these tapes and they've been stored in nefarious conditions, not well kept, all that kind of stuff, and you put them in a player, it can wreck the player. And I can have a whole job wipe out an absolute ton of players, which costs me money to repair, or time, and sometimes I just don't have the damn time to fix all these things. But you know, old handy Tim next door, who's been fixing my stuff for 15 years, when this spot became available, I moved in right next door. Nobody broke his window, it just shattered. Anyway.
Yeah, if we can get one, that's the problem. Well, Relux makes a substitute, it's just trying to get it, so.
Just come next door when you're done.
Okay. Right. Well, no, Relux makes a substitute, but it's
All right, so that's that. I don't know what's going to be made of it, but anyway. And the other handy thing, being in this complex, it's not the most attractive of places, but it is reasonably cheap, and also, well, it isn't pretty cheap, but where I've been before has been in swankier complexes, but you know, I could be in a hole in the ground, really. But also there's a UPS store here where...
What time do you open?
Hey?
What time do you open?
When I feel like it.
We got people here this morning. Hey, when's that guy open down there?
Oh, did he come to you?
If I'm open.
Oh, you're on my YouTube channel, by the way. If you need any of this stuff, this guy right here. This is where the UPS store is. So if I'm not open, this is where all my stuff is delivered. And basically I just walk in and just grab my own stuff. UPS store, aka Amazon Return Center. Hold on.
Whole Foods, Renee.
Oh my God.
What about it?
It says it goes back to Whole Foods.
Oh, God, are you kidding?
Go ahead.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is how it works for me. If I'm not around, I don't have regular set hours, I pick out, all my stuff is delivered here, number 407, and I have 4 packages today. Through here, doesn't include all the postal. So I'm making sure all this stuff is for me. That's that one. That's that one. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Anyway, this is a combination of jobs, equipment, all sorts. I don't know until I open it. But let's have a look here. And where's my box? There we go. There's all my slips. And here we go.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
There you go, Candice.
Thank you, sir. How
Say
are
hello, you're my YouTube video.
you? Yes, sir. Hello.
Anyway, alright. See ya. Bye. Alright, so there we go. I gotta diligently make sure this doesn't fall off. I haven't put it in the right stacking order just because I'm one-handed. Shut that door. Anyway, so that's the pickup and drop-off situation. I know all the UPS drivers, I walk into the UPS store, they all know me. So, you know, all the stuff is correct and accounted for, and if my door is locked, all the UPS drivers just leave at the UPS store, And that's pretty much everything. So let's see if Tim is still on the phone. No, he's with someone right now. He's a busy man. Being the only, I'm gonna take this off here. And there we go. So anyway, the original purpose of this video was to basically start the initial documentation of, showing when customers' tapes are not stored correctly, garages, attics, moisture, all these kind of things, and then they wreck the equipment. It costs me money. Luckily, I've got Tim next door, so I don't have to screw around and drive myself more crazy than I already am with all this old stuff. But this is what I have to build into the costs. And so if you are looking for a transfer company, these are all the behind the scenes kind of things that go on, because people don't understand what is happening to these videotapes, the players, everything. And I'm also going to document in the second part of this video, picking up from Tim, with him giving me the bill of what just those 3 cameras are going to cost to fix. I have no idea what the problem is, because I just can't be asked with it. So I will follow up in another video. I'll probably add it to this video right here. So when he's all done. All right. Cheers.